Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Here in the system we have to tap on date and time. And as you can see here, we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those switches here. And now we can freely tap on date and change the date in this calendar. Unfortunately, we are not able to change the time format, the date format. So it has to be let me tap on OK, a month, a day, and then a year. Here we've got also the time, so we can tap on it and choose the time from this clock, confirm it with OK, it will be immediately applied, and the time zone, which was also set automatically. You can tap on the time zone, tap on the region, and here you've got the full list of available regions, so find yours and then tap on it. It will be immediately applied. Here you've got the time format. So right now we've got the automatic option, so the local default. Let's turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and now we can manually decide whether we want to use the 12-hour format, which is currently applied, or 24-hour one just by tapping on this switcher. So this is the manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those three switchers here to set everything automatically. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.